Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by collecting materials and measuring precisely. This matters because alignment controls clarity. Once done, cut the cardboard to a tapered horn shape where the small end matches your phone's speaker position. Fold and tape seams tightly so air travels forward rather than leaking. Make a simple cradle for the phone with a 5-10 mm recess so the speaker sits flush with the horn entry. Use rigid cup or funnel at the large end to smooth the transition. This reduces turbulence and improves high-frequency response. Now shape and fine-tune. Fit the funnel or cup to the wide end so air sees a smooth expansion. This increases efficiency. Once attached, seal every joint carefully. Tiny gaps kill bass. Make a shallow lip around the phone entry of about 1-2 cm to keep the speaker facing into the horn. Place phone at medium volume and play a familiar track. You'll hear if lows are missing or highs are harsh. Then adjust horn length and mouth diameter slightly to favor the frequency balance you want. Finish by securing everything. Add a thin foam pad under the phone to stop rattling without blocking the speaker. Make final angle and mouth size tweaks while listening to speech and music. Small changes affect clarity a lot. If sound is muffled, check for air leaks, clear any debris from the speaker path, and try increasing the mouth diameter by about 10%. This often restores bass. Make sure the phone's equalizer is flat initially, then boost or cut frequencies sparingly to taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.